thunderstorm last night, so we can see a lot of car in the ditch. There's one in here. Where is it? Oh my God. Look at this. Wow.
That makes sense. It's a best day. Best day.
We are driving here now. So far, so good here. Wow, what is this here? I found one. Yeah. Oh, other one too. Wow, red car and the white car. This is what last night happened and now in the morning. So far we have 5, 6 over here. That's a lot. Okay, the truck over here down in the 2 cars down here. Oh my gosh. Careful guy in the semi. Oh my, the semi is stuck too. Holy cow. Be careful guys when you drive. Okay, we're turning here. Lots of people driving. Okay, to Amazon truck and the freeway. There you go. Delivery, drive like a bandido. Go down, fly. There's another one, 2 or 1. Oh yeah. So where the trailer at the back. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my.
Still in there.
Oh, she just got it. She just, you know. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys have an idea and be careful when you drive in the winter snow. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.